tired of giving Wi-Fi to customers but struggling to manage payments, vouchers and user access personally? So in this video, I will show you a powerful tool that can transform your hotspot business into a fully automated billing system. So if you run a hotspot business using a MikroTik router, you already know that managing users, payments and vouchers manually can be stressful. Today I will show you how to download and use the MikroTicket application, a simple billing software designed to work with MikroTik routers for hotspot businesses. With this tool, you can create internet vouchers, manage customers, track sales. You can also track sales and automate your hotspot billing system easily. So make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important step. What is MikroTicket? Let us first visit the browser and I'll show you what we are talking about. MikroTicket, it is a hotspot billing application. This is the name. MikroTicket is a hotspot billing application designed for MikroTik routers. It allows hotspot operators to generate Wi-Fi vouchers, manage hotspot users, monitor internet usage, track payments and sales, automate hotspot billing. This makes it very useful for people running Wi-Fi hotspot businesses in places like schools, hostels, cafes, villages, public Wi-Fi networks. So these are the requirements. Before installing MikroTicket, you need the following. You need a MikroTik router with the hotspot configured, a computer or a server, internet connection or the ISP, internet service provider, MikroTicket software, basic MikroTik access. In that I mean Winbox or web feed. So step 1, we're going to see how to download MikroTicket. So open your Play Store application on your Android device and then you search for MikroTicket app like this. Then follow the instructions and then make sure to install download and then install and wait for the download to finish. It's like 30 MBs, and after finishing, open the MikroTicket application. So once you open the MikroTicket application, you're going to sign in, or if you have, you're going to sign in or sign up. Sign in if you have already created an account. Sign up if you haven't yet created an account. I'm going to sign in. I'm going to go right here where you have create account, and then I'm going to enter my email. I'm going to sacrifice this email. You are free to use it, but at your own risk. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend, and if you get any problem, just know that I'm the MikroTicket distributor in Africa, and right now serving in Uganda, MikroTik. So enter your password. I'm going to put in a password, Genesis 1 verses 7, and then Genesis. Confirm your password, 1 verses 7. Then after, press next and wait for a few moments, minutes or seconds. It depends on the speed of your internet. Then put in your name. I'm going to put in mouse and then take your real names, the first name and the last name. Then create an account. Wait for like 5 minutes and then check your Gmail for and then type verify. Tap where we are seeing a button confirm email, and then until you see a word that email verified successfully. After verifying, press right here where you have I have verified my email, and then your account will be successfully verified. And then this is how you're going to be managing your hotspot businesses, businesses. If you have because at this MikroTicket we have MikroTicket Prime of 2. We have MikroTicket Prime of two types. We have MikroTicket Prime for a single router, MikroTik router, or MikroTicket Prime of multiple router. So for single router it manages only one hotspot businesses, but for multiple routers it manages over one hotspot business, MikroTiks on hotspot businesses. So after, they are going to give you a trial period of like 15 days to test whether it will be working for you. I want to show you how this application is like awesome. Here you can create vouchers, but before we need to connect this MikroTik software, MikroTicket software, to the MikroTik router. Now you're going to open the application as I've opened, then go to router settings. Now this is how we're going to do. We're going to come where we have routers, and then we're going to come where you have new connection to connect your MikroTik, and then put in the IP address, and then the port, then the admin. I'm going to comment about the password. If your MikroTik is new, here at password right here, leave it as it is. Don't put anything, leave it like it is. After, just go where you have connect. Don't put the password if your MikroTik is new, and if your MikroTik is old, you can reset your MikroTik, and then you'll be able not to put in the password, and you will just set it the password in the win box. If you need assistance, I'm available as the MikroTicket distributor. I can show you that MikroTicket verified as MikroTik as the distributors. If you visit the official website, we are still continuing the tutorial, but I just want to show you that we're the distributors of MikroTicket. So if you get any problem, just go where you have distributors in the MikroTicket website right here, and then you will be seeing MikroTik, this one, MikroTik. So choose those contacts and then contact that person. He'll be able to help you if you are in Africa. So let us continue the application, and then this is what you're going to be doing. After connecting your router to this this billing software, you're going to try it for like 15 days, and then you can create templates. But you can create templates right here on how your page will be looking like. You can also choose you see those templates in the library, but some templates require you to have MikroTicket Prime. You can have this template, you can preview, and you see how better looking it is. You can see this one. You can see how it looks like. You can advertise on these templates. See, you can choose, because you also have free templates. You can select this button of free, and then you see those free templates, and also preview them. You are free to re-edit anything, and you put your Wi-Fi name, your Wi-Fi hotspot business name, and anything. Now those are the templates. You know how to design, you know how to. So let us go back to home, and I show you another thing about MikroTicket. So you can also print vouchers after connecting to the MikroTicket. You can go where you have print, and then you print them in PDF format. But you must also have to print must have MikroTicket Prime. So MikroTicket Prime, as I told you, this is the price in USD, but if you inbox us by visiting the MikroTicket website and then you choose MikroTik, I'll be giving you some bit of discount. We shall be giving you discounts and you can negotiate. The price is negotiable. You can negotiate about the price, and then you will run your hotspot billing system smoothly and then enjoy what we call a safe place. You can enjoy it. You can see that you can make a lot of money out of this by having this billing system installed in your MikroTik. So this one deals with one router, and for the annually you can be paying 90 USD, about 90 USD, that is 89.99 per year, and per month you can be paying like 13 USD, but we can negotiate about the price. If you inbox us MikroTik, then we shall be negotiating about how we can deal with this. So that is for one router. That means you are managing one hotspot business. And take in mind that you can manage a hotspot business. For example, if you are in Uganda, you can manage a hotspot business in Kampala, in Mbale, in Gulu, in using only one software. You can manage over 5 hotspot businesses in different cities, but using one billing system, where money is coming direct to your mobile money account. So don't miss out this opportunity, and then I request you guys to subscribe to MikroTicket. This is the unlimited router, where I was saying that you can manage over 10 hotspots. You can even create a hotspot business in Kenya, DRC, Congo. You can even in other countries abroad. You can create a hotspot business and even manage it right here at home, Africa. Then you can manage it, and money will be coming to your mobile money account when a user subscribes. So let me tell you some of the benefits. But before I continue to the benefits, these are how to managing hotspot businesses with MikroTicket. You can also track your daily sales, monitor active users, control internet plans. Like internet plans, I know you guys can get what I mean by internet plans, and you can control the prices. Like prices that a day they are giving me 1K, a day they are giving me 2K. You can control your internet plans on your Android device in your hands. You can control you can manage hotspot accounts. You can generate reports per month. That this month I've generated over like 10,000 USD this month. It is the money I've generated. This makes hotspot management much easier and more professional. So these are the benefits of using MikroTicket as your billing software in your MikroTik. MikroTicket automates hotspot billing. It automates hotspot billing. We have another thing. There is easy voucher generation. We have better customer management, sales tracking, and then you have professional hotspot system. It is very helpful. It is a very helpful tool for anyone running a Wi-Fi hotspot business using MikroTik. So this is a disclaimer that this video is made for educational, research and informational purposes only, to demonstrate how hotspot billing systems work with MikroTik routers. Always ensure you follow your internet service providers' policies and local regulations when operating a public hotspot or selling internet access. So, and that is how you download and use MikroTicket application as a billing software for your MikroTik. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share this video so more people can learn how to start and manage their hotspot businesses. And I will see you in the next video. I sign out.